Welcome to the third episode of our how-to, where we are walking you through a drive swap to change the spindle orientation on a Brother TC-227 CNC drilling and tapping center in order to execute a tool change. The previous episodes covered the wiring that was required for both the Delta C2000 drive and Delta EMC PG01U encoder card. Since there were no issues with any of those connections, we can now do a basic motor startup to ensure that everything is running smoothly. We are running a stock Sanyo permanent magnet motor, and as we touched on in our previous video, the Delta EMC PG01U encoder card will be able to program the built-in PLC in the Delta drive to do the spindle orientation, and will also give feedback to the CNC controller for RPM speed and direction. In order to properly program the motor, you need to consult the parameters in your manual. We will be referencing the Delta Vector Control Drive C2000 Plus Series Manual. Parameters 01-01 and 01-02 set the output frequency and output voltage. Parameters 05-33 through 05-38 handle the induction motor and permanent motor selection, the full load current of the permanent magnet motor, the rated power, the rated speed, the amount of poles for the motor, and finally the inertia of the PM motor. From there, parameters for motor auto-tuning can be set through parameter 05-00 and select 5. The motor will then begin auto-tuning. We are using parameter 02-04 and have it set to option 36 to enable position control from the Brother TC-227 CNC drilling and tapping center. In doing so, we will have to adjust parameters 11-05 to 0 speed holding response. Once you go through and double check all your parameters, you should be able to start up the motor with no issues. Tune in next time, where we will be covering the programming steps for positioning, an overview of the PLC program, and finally the tool change on the Brother TC-227 CNC drilling and tapping center. For more information on the Delta products used in this video, visit us at gelco.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can be notified when the next episode in this series is posted.